Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Honda Civic, practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.